What's up, you beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a fall makeup tutorial. I'm so excited, it's finally fall, so let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so the first product I'm gonna be using is my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and this is literally the best primer you will ever find in your life. I'm gonna be taking a little bit onto my finger. You guys can see what she looks like. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the dewy one, and I am in the shade 225. And I'm just going to dab this onto my skin. Make sure you're really blending in that concealer because we don't want any creases and we want it to look as seamless as possible. This sponge is literally sent from heaven. She blends so good. Now it's time for cream contour. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick. I find that foundation sticks are way better than actual cream contour because they blend way easier. Who's excited for fall? Because I know I am. It's time to set the face with some translucent powder. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. If you haven't tried this, you need to try this because this is literally amazing. Set anywhere that tends to get creasy because we do not need a creasy girl fall. We don't need that, okay? I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows really quick. I'm not exaggerating, this is the best drugstore highlighter out there. Always blend your highlight in circular motions to prevent streakiness. Dang, my palette is ratchet, but this palette is literally perfect for the fall. This is the Morphe 350 palette. These two shades right here that are missing, they got so excited that it was fall that they literally popped out. They fell out. For my transition shade, I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It's like a orangey brownish color. Next, to darken up the look, I'm going to be taking this shade right here and placing that in my crease. Take your time when blending. Blending is the key to a seamless eyeshadow look. I'm going to be taking this glitter palette and I'm going to be using this beautiful shade right here. This glitter is, she's beautiful. This palette is literally the definition of me. Now before I put on my lashes, I'm gonna actually do my lips first. So first I'm gonna be taking my MAC my MAC lip liner, and this is in the shade Whirl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. And last but not least, I'm going to be putting on my lashes, and these are the Makeup Shack lashes in the style Dubai. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Today's post notification shout out is gonna go out to Ingress. Thank you so much for showing me love. I love you and appreciate you so much. If you want to get a post notification shout out in my next video, be sure to click that bell button and comment when done. You guys are literally the best. I will see you in my next video. Bye.